Hello everyone, welcome to ChamiViews. This is our 33th video of our GoLang series. In the previous video, we have discussed about the non-blocking channel operations, right? If you haven't watched that one, please look in that one. Then you can get regarding these things very clear understanding, right? Okay. Today we are going to discuss about the closing channels, right? This is also very important. Okay, first I will create a channel, right? It has a capacity 5, right? I will send some message to channel, right? C1 ChamiViews, right? And also I will send another message to channel hello, right? Like in this way, we can send values to the channel, right? If we want to receive the values from the channel, how we can receive message equal like in this way we can receive the message, right? fmt dot println, I will print the message. In this way we can receive the message, right? If we want to get another message hello, how we can get that one? Like in this way we can get, right? These things are very simple. We have discussed these things in several types, right? Okay. In here I will teach you this one, right? There is another variable called mo, right? You can put any number, any variable name for that. For now I will put mo and try to print the mo. This is actually boolean value, right? It will return true or false, right? In here it return a value as true, right? After sending two values, right? After sending two values, I will try to close the channel, right? Closing channels means that indicate no more values will be sent on it, right? We say this channel to we are not going to send more values to this channel, right? After closing we can indicate that one, right? After running this one, it got the message as ChamiViews more true, right? And then I will try to get the hello as well, right? Hello. What is the output now? ChamiViews more value is equal true, hello more value is equal to true. Okay, I will try to get third value as well, right? I haven't put any value to the third value, but I will try to get that, right? What is the output now? What is the output now? Output is, in here there is no any value, but more value is what? False, right? If we close the channel, right, after sending some values using the more, right, using this second variable, we can check whether the channel has closed or not, right? That's why we are using this second value, right? And also this message after closing the channel, it will get the empty type, right? Empty, that's mean the zero value of the string value, right? The type is string, no, right? Then what is the string zero value? Empty, right? If we have put bool here, right? In here I am trying to send true and then I am trying to send false, right? What is the zero value of bool? False, right? Then I got the value as false here, right? these things are very important, right? I will say again, closing a channel indicates that no more values will be sent on it, right? This can be useful to communicate completion to the channel receivers, right? By checking this more value, we can say to the receivers, hey, that channel already have closed, right? Then it will not receive any values. These are things that I want to teach you today, right? Hope you have got a clear understanding about the closing channels, right? If you have learned new things, please subscribe to the channel, please share these things with your friends. We will meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye.